Hello everyone, this is Raheel, and today I'm back to show you how you can preview your prototypes on your real device using Figma in 2020. Let's get started. So first, you're going to have to go into your app store, whether it be the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, and download the Figma Mirror app. And then once you've downloaded, you simply just click Open, and then it brings you into the login page. You simply log in with your Figma account, and then once you're done that, you see this message pop up. It says select a frame or component that's directly on the canvas. Whatever section you're working on with your account logged in, you simply select a frame. So I'm just going to go on my computer and select any frame, and then it will show up on this device. And everything works like a real prototype would if you were previewing it on your computer. You simply click on routed buttons and that will work just fine. And everything is actually updated in real time. So if I were to go back to my main home layer, and let's say I wanted to move the header a little bit higher, what I would do is I would simply unlock that layer and I would just move it as so. And I'm actually moving the mouse right now. There's no latency whatsoever. Well, that's pretty much all for today. If you did like this quick tip, then be sure to drop a like and subscribe if you'd like to see more quick tips in the future. See ya!